Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change caller ID on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, scroll a little bit down. If you want to change your outgoing caller ID on your iPhone, then contact your carrier. Hide your caller ID in the settings by going to a phone, show my caller ID, and then switching it off. And if you want to change caller ID instead, you need to contact the carrier. To contact the carrier, you can use their website or mobile data or mobile app, or call them. So I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the phone right here basically, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna see a caller ID, right? Show my caller ID, and then I'm gonna just toggle this one off, and basically, I won't receive or see the caller ID on my iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.